We're live from KUKA booth at Automatica, and here's Paul that's gonna help us to see all the applications around. Let's go.
Dive right in, I would say.
What is our first step?
Right, as you can see in the background, our magnificent heavy payload robots, among them our brand new...
The Titan Ultra, guys.
Exactly.
That's the new launch, the new robot from KUKA, right here for you, only for you, exclusive. Okay.
Yeah, and at that point, I would suggest we talk to someone who actually knows about that stuff.
Let's go
and that
then.
is our expert, Maximilian Petkun.
Nice to meet you, and could you tell us a little bit more?
Yeah. Hi, my name is Maximilian Petkun. I'm the portfolio manager of all three robots, what you see here. We are starting from the top right, a KL5000 with a new lubrication system. Then we have on top an KR500, which is coming up last year into the market. Honestly, we as the KUKA are unique in fulfilling customer requirements. We can deliver a linear track, we can deliver a robot, and we can deliver the dress pack out of one box solution. That's unique for the KUKA, honestly. But I would focus now on the big boy on the other side here. Here we have the Titan Ultra. We extend our portfolio here up to 500 kilogram above the current Titan. So 1.5 ton with 3.2 meter reach, which is unique in this case. Also the total weight of this robot, we are talking here about 4.6 tons of own weight, which is very low. I call it a featherweight robot. Of course, it's not a featherweight, but it's honestly something which is try to impress. We also come up with, that's the shortest version of all these robots. So the smallest of them, we will have 1.250 kilogram with 3,700 millimeter in reach and 1 ton, so the current payload with 4.2 meter reach. That's quite unique. Yeah, and I hope those are the most needed things from my side. I would hand over back to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. And that's it, guys. Titan Ultra. And it's huge, as you can see, me close to it. So if you're at Automatica, don't miss. Here's a little busy, but we're going to show you a little bit of each station. So what is next, Paul?
Right, yeah, I would suggest we head right over to our SCARA portfolio. Which is
let's go.
Basically in front of us already. So what we have on offer here is basically a portfolio of 18 different variants.
Okay.
Beginning from 6 kilograms up to 60 kilograms. That's that one over here.
Okay.
The amazing thing is it runs on our brand new operating system, KUKA OS2.
So all of them are running?
All of them are running on that brand new operating system, the same one as our industrial robots run on. But I would say more on that later. Perhaps, yeah, have a look around. We have a clean room variant, we have a hygienic oil variant. Yeah.
That's fantastic. And
Equipped for all
okay.
scenarios.
Okay, so what is next now, where we can do it?
Yeah, I would say we head over to our sustainability.
Okay, just a second, guys. It is crowded here because a lot of new things happening at KUKA. So don't worry, we're gonna show you a little bit of everything. Okay, so next step we're here.
We made it, Vanessa.
We made it, guys. There we are.
I would hand over to our expert, David Sauermann.
Okay, nice to meet you. How are you? I'm going to hand you the microphone so you can tell us a little bit more about the sustainability.
Okay. Yeah, hello and welcome at the KUKA booth. So a lot of people ask me, does it really pay off if we invest in sustainable products? And I say definitely, because when you invest in sustainability, it's sustainable. And sustainable for your budget also, because we in KUKA, we think sustainability and economical product is it's the same. For example, we design our robot that they have that they're very slim and has very reduced material. So that means our robots have a very low CO2 footprint. The transportation costs are lower. And also, because of the lightweight design, we need less energy to move them, and we have better dynamics. And less energy consumption means less CO2 emissions and also less money for you. So, from my point of view, investment in sustainability and investment in low energy products is a win for both, for the environment and also for the budget of the customers.
Thank you very much, and that's all. So, Paul, come here. Let's continue our tour. What is our next station?
Actually, it's right over there, the R&R section.
Okay.
And we will keep David Sauermann.
Okay, so let's go. Let's go with us. Okay, guys, so we're gonna around the corner here because it's busy, and we want to show you the best part so you can have a better view. So let's go, walking around. Follow me. There we go. Trying to clear a little bit the area. Okay, let's see if we can find a spot here. It's so busy because there are a lot of news. Okay, come on, let's go. So again, I'm going to give you the microphone and please explain a little bit more. Thank you.
Yeah, this is our mobility area. We see here our KUKA AMRs. AMRs means autonomous mobile robots. So these are automatic guided vehicles. And we have a portfolio of different vehicles from 600 kilogram up to 3 tons. And what we see there in the back, it's an autonomous mobile platform with a KUKA robot installed. The robot has a vision system. It can recognize things which are in the shelf. It can choose the right one. It can commission it, place it on the platform, and bring it to some workplace. And this is, for example, a station, a working station, which is equipped with a KUKA robot and also with a mobile platform. So the platform can bring the parts to the robot. The robot can do some assembly work, for example. And when the work is finished, the parts are removed and bring to the next station. And also we have different charging stations. This is conductive charging. The robot connects directly to the charging station. And we have also inductive, like you know from a cell phone. So the robot goes over the station, stays there for a certain time, and get charged without any contact. And then let's go there to our biggest AMR. So follow me, please.
He's very happy.
What you see here is our KMP 3000P. It means it's a 3-ton mobile platform. And special for KUKA is that we have all important features integrated in the platform. That means this is equipped with 2 360-degree laser scanners for safety and also for creating the mapping. It's equipped with 4 3D cameras for machine safety. And also it has a lifting device up to 80 millimeters. It has safety bumpers complete around. It has a detection camera, load detection, to scan barcodes, and it has a detection camera on the ground for barcode navigation, which is more precise. And what makes this very special is it's an omnidirectional AMR. It can move in this direction and in this direction without turning. And this gives a lot of flexibility. And with this design, KUKA is pretty special on the market because we deliver like a very, very high quality product with a lot of features integrated, but for a very, very reasonable price.
Thank you very much. Thank you for this amazing explanation, guys. And if you want to see more, visit the booth here at Automatica. So, Paul, let's go to our next station.
Yes.
What is next?
After that beautiful insight into the world of AMRs, I would suggest now we look at our digital sphere.
Okay, let's
And
go. So
just to tease ahead, perhaps we find a way through here.
yeah,
It's very crowded
It
today.
is the crowd because there's a lot of news happening here, guys.
Let's take a
But we show
shortcut here.
you live.
So here you can see how beautifully we visualize our digital sphere. But what actually is part of it, and a small part I already hinted at by mentioning iQKA OS2, but I would give the stage to our expert, Daniele Sagnotti, to guide you through.
Okay, nice to meet you. And I give you the microphone so you can explain and go to us all the journey.
Thank you very much and taking the time for showing our products here. So what my colleague already said, what we are showing and trying to convey here is our digital sphere. And basically this means all our software tools which we provide to our customers. So from his first ideas, dreaming and experience, until a running production, we show here and combine it together. I would like to show you some more details going to the cell here, where I can show you like our major products, IQ Works and IQ OS2 in action. Yeah, so basically you here a running cell, and what you can see on the screen here on the left-hand side is our engineering and simulation suite, completely new, called IQ Works. So basically from the first idea the customer has, he can try things out, he can do his layouts, he can commission a robot, he can program the robot, and he can simulate everything with a virtual robot controller even before the physical hardware arrives on his shop floor. And once the robot is there, he easily deploys the project onto the live machine and finishes the job with our easy-to-use KUKA OS2 operating system, where we have a very modern UI, simplifying operations for our customers through guided workflows and visualizations and so on and so forth. So next, a little bit hard to see here, but we have our controller portfolio, basically the heart of our software stack. So on the left-hand side, you see the bigger controllers, the SMNL size controllers powering our big robots like the Titan, the Vortec, which you already saw. And on the right-hand side, you can see our completely new Micro-2 controller, which is 25% smaller in the size. It offers possibilities to extend, for example, with AI capabilities to have additional computing power, but also having very compact additional modules for additional drives. Good, then coming to the topic of AI, what you can see here is basically IQ Works in action, but what we also have here included is Copilot. So similar like you know it from ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot, we have the possibility to have a verbal interface for our customers. So customers who are not super familiar with the product yet can verbally describe what they want to do, for example, creating a pick-and-place application or changing an application. And what the Copilot is doing basically is that it automatically generates a program or adapts the program. So this basically lowers the entry hurdles for our customers, which are not so familiar with our tools yet, which we also see more and more coming, that like more unexperienced customers want to enter the market of robotics. Good. Then very, very crowded here, I know. But that's a good sign, or isn't it? Everyone wants to see it. So coming also to the last exhibit here on this stage, again showing IQ Works here and our Cognex Vision tool. So what we are showing here is basically an AI use case. So I mentioned already that our new controller provides the extension slots, so we can integrate additional computing power, so GPU-based, into our controller to run, let's say, more complex, more AI-based applications. And you can see that here, for example, with the spin picking application. So we have a MacMind camera, we have this AI card in our controller, and we have our own 3D vision software running there. It detects the parts, it does the collision-free path planning, and then it sorts the parts here as well. Good, thank you very much.
Thank you for this amazing application. Guys, we're getting over our 50 minutes here at KUKA, but if you're at Automatica, don't miss. It's a lot to see, and of course, the KUKA Titan Ultra is here, and it's amazing. Bye, see you next.